Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can create the professional logo with the help of canva.com. Go to the canva.com. Under the canva.com main page you will see a lot of different features, options to create the canvas. So in second we can see logo. Canva basically given a standard 500 into 500 pixel size, square size. So most of the platforms we can apply this logo size. Click on and one dialog box appear, 500 into 500 pixel size square blank page. Here you can design your logo. You can choose whatever you want: circle, frames, lines, star, many things you can apply, and you can design as per your requirement. For demonstrate I will just create a simple logo, so later as per your requirement you can make. Okay, I will fill the color. You can choose any color. For demonstrate I'm choosing this color, blue color, and I'm taking the text, and here you can see I have created a simple logo. And you can make the circles also, but you need to purchase a Canva Pro. Okay, some of the features are paid, some of are free, so as per your need requirement you can use Canva tool. Now after create your logo, click on share. Download option will be there, and here you will see a lot of options. Okay, I'm choosing PNG, and click on download. That's it. So this is the way you can create the professional logo with the help of Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video.